Hey, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing some passive income ideas for beginners. Making money online has never been easier, and with a little bit of effort, you can start earning passive income right away. So, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Affiliate marketing. One of the easiest ways to make passive income online is through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is essentially promoting someone else's product and earning a commission when someone makes a purchase through your unique referral link. This can be done through your website, social media, or even email marketing. Number 2. Building a YouTube channel. Building a successful YouTube channel can be a great source of passive income. Once you have a large following, you can earn money through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. The key is to create content that resonates with your audience and consistently post high-quality videos. Number 4. Investing in dividend stocks. Another way to make passive income is by investing in dividend stocks. Dividend stocks pay you a portion of the company's profits on a regular basis. This means that you can earn money from your investments without having to actively manage them. If you have a spare room or property, you can rent it out on Airbnb. This is a great way to earn passive income, as you can rent out your property while you're away or not using it. With Airbnb, you have full control over the rental process, including the price and availability. So, there you have it. 4 passive income ideas for beginners. Remember, making money online takes time and effort, but with persistence, you can start earning passive income that will continue to grow over time. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.